Maptek I-Site technology is the ideal solution for fast, safe and accurate stockpile measurement. The I-Site system is portable and easy to use in a wide range of environments. IP65 rated I-Site scanners work in difficult, dusty conditions. Ground-based tripod scanning and vehicle-mounted scanning methods can be used inside sheds. For indoor stockpiles, scanners can be suspended overhead through access hatches or by stairwell bracket on overhead conveyor walkways. Scan results are displayed in real time on the tablet. Laser scanning is much quicker than other methods for field acquisition, producing a more detailed model with more accurate results. Outdoor stockpiles can be scanned using ground-based or vehicle-mounted scanner setups. Data can also be captured continuously from a moving vehicle using the I-Site drive system. Once in I-Site Studio, the scans are registered using the software's dedicated tools. A topographic filter is used to thin the data and remove unwanted scan points. A triangulation is then created and the stockpile volume calculated. Results are available quickly. Screen captures and video output can be generated for use in formal presentations and reports. I-Site 3D laser scanning can help streamline stockpile measurement and volume calculation. I-Site provides a safe, fast and cost-effective solution.